Hello, Kate here. In this tutorial I will show you how to crochet an easy snowflake ornament. This project is one of the 8 designs I created for the mini-cal I ran in 2023, and all of them are available for free on my website. All the links are in the description box below. This particular snowflake is quite modern in shape and uses basic crochet techniques. I'm using heavy woolen yarn for the tutorial's sake, but these ornaments look best when made with a thread and a very small hook. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. You can also click the bell button to get a notification whenever I post something new. Start with a magic ring. If you are unfamiliar with this method, check out my video where I show step by step how to make it the easiest way. When you're ready, work 12 single crochet stitches into the loop. Keep the tail with your fingers so the loop doesn't unravel. Scoop all the stitches and pull the tail to tighten the loop. You can always tighten it more later if you need to. Find the first stitch you made and insert the hook under both strands of yarn. Catch the yarn with your hook and lead it first through the stitch and then through the loop on your hook. You've closed the first round of stitches with a slip stitch. Make 3 chain stitches. Now yarn over and work half double crochet in the nearest stitch. One chain and repeat. 1 half double crochet and 1 chain in each stitch of the round. Our base has 12 stitches. The starting chain we did at the beginning of this round counts as 1 half double, so we should make 11 half double crochets. Alright, when you're ready, close the loop with a slip stitch by making it into the second chain stitch. Round 3. Chain 1 and make 1 slip stitch into the nearest chain space. Next, make 5 chains. Yarn over and work 1 double crochet into the next chain space. And 2 chains. Repeat in each next chain space. 1 double crochet, 2 chains. I will meet you at the end of the round. Again, let's close the round with a slip stitch. This time work it into the third chain stitch. Start this round with 4 chains. Now make 1 double crochet in the nearest double crochet of the previous row. Chain 4 again. And attach it with a slip stitch to the next double crochet. As you can see, we created a little triangle, and that's what we are going to do all around, so 6 times in total. Chain 4, 1 double crochet, chain 4, and a slip stitch. I will meet you at the end of the round. This time, the last stitch of the round is my slip stitch. I work it right where we started, at the base of the beginning chain. Let's start with 5 single crochets in the first chain space. Now work 1 more single crochet in the double crochet. Make 8 chains. And 1 single crochet again, still in the same stitch, to create a loop with the chain you just made. Next, 5 single crochets in the next chain space. We're going to work around the edges of these 6 snowflake arms. The last step, a slip stitch right between the arms here. Then repeat 5 single crochets in the chain space, one single crochet in the top stitch, 8 chains, and another single crochet still in the same stitch, 5 single crochets again, and a slip stitch right between the arms here. Repeat and I will meet you at the end of the round. Alright, I've got my last 5 single crochets. All that's left is to make a slip stitch right here. The snowflake looks good already, but we have 2 more rounds to go. Start this one by chaining 8. Next, a slip stitch into the loop at the top. Chain 6, and slip stitch again in the same chain space. As you can see, it creates a small loop at the top of the arm here. Next, chain 8 again, and work a slip stitch between the arms of the snowflake. Repeat it 6 times in total. 8 chains, a slip stitch in the top loop, 6 chains, another slip stitch in the same loop, 8 chains, and a slip stitch. I will meet you at the end of the round. Here my last stitch is a slip stitch. The last round is quite easy, as we will reinforce the outline of the snowflake. Make 9 single crochets in the first chain space. Next, 8 single crochets in the small loop. 9 single crochets in the next chain space, and a slip stitch between the arms of the snowflake. And that's it. Repeat it along each arm, so 6 times in total. The last stitch of the round is again a slip stitch. And it's done. When the snowflake is ready, fasten off, secure the yarn, and make sure to block and stiffen it. I have a video on how to do it. The link is in the description box below. Don't forget to check out my other snowflake videos. There's a lot of good stuff waiting for you on this channel. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. If you have any questions or would like to see more, leave a comment below. Thanks and have a creative day.